Good food helps all kids grow. It's extra important for kids with autism. Why? Because sometimes they are sensitive to how food looks, smells, and feels. We can help by making yummy food that is also easy to handle. Think soft textures, not too many strong flavors, and foods that are familiar. When we get food right, it's like magic. Kids feel better, they can focus more at school and have more fun. It's all about giving them the best start with every bite. Breakfast kickstarts the day. For autistic kids, it's even more important to have a good breakfast. It gives them the energy they need to focus and learn. Porridge is a winner. Make it with milk or yogurt. Top with berries or a drizzle of honey. Yum! Smoothies are ace too. Blend yogurt, fruit, and even some spinach. You can sneak in extra goodness without a fuss. Scrambled eggs are another great option. Keep them soft and creamy. Serve with some whole wheat toast soldiers for dipping. Lunchtime should be easy and stress-free. We want our kids to enjoy their food and get back to playing and learning. Sandwiches are a classic for a reason. Use soft bread and simple fillings like ham, cheese, or tuna. Cut them into fun shapes. Pasta salad is another great option. Use different shapes and colors to make it fun. Add chopped veggies and a light dressing. Soup is perfect for colder days. Choose creamy tomato soup or a mild vegetable broth. Pair it with breadsticks or crackers. Dinner is a time to wind down after a busy day. We want meals that are nutritious, calming, and help prepare for a good night's sleep. Chicken nuggets are always a hit. Make your own with breadcrumbs or use shop-bought ones. Serve with sweet potato fries and peas. Fish is another healthy choice. Salmon is full of good fats. Bake it with lemon and herbs. Serve with mashed potatoes and green beans. Pasta bake is a family favorite. Use whole wheat pasta, lean ground beef, and a homemade tomato sauce. Top with cheese and bake until bubbly.